Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you the latest addition to my Nespresso accessories collection. And so let's just get into it. I recently ordered directly from the website the Vertuo recipe set, and listed on the website it's called the Vertuo recipe glasses set of 2. It also comes in a set of 4, but I didn't really need a set of 4 glasses. And so I got this one, and it comes with 2 spoons. So let's open it up and take a look. And I feel like always Nespresso does really good with their packaging. It's like pretty sturdy and pretty, there's nothing really flimsy about it. So there it is in the box, and there's some little paperwork up here. Take a look at that. And it just looks like their standard little pamphlet. That shows everything in the collection. And this is the one right here that we're going to take a look at. And then there's another little card here that talks about, I guess it's the care instructions. It says, these recipe glasses are intended for coffee-based recipes. Always proceed with caution with handling hot liquids and keep out of children's reach. Clean before use. So it doesn't say anything on there about it being dishwasher or microwave safe, so I guess I'm assuming it is, since it didn't say otherwise. And the primary reason why I decided to purchase these glasses is because whenever I found myself, like whenever I was making a coffee recipe, the glasses or mugs that I was using just seemed like there wasn't enough room for me to add the proper amount of frothed milk, or like even if there was just like a couple extra little ingredients, I felt like it would always cause my mug to overflow. So since these are specifically marketed towards being recipe glasses, I decided to give them a try. And just like right away here, they feel pretty good in my hand. They're heavy, but they're not like super duper heavy. And I feel like the circumference of these are pretty good. And I feel like, you know, like most of their mugs that I have, you know, it's a little bit heavier on the bottom, which is good. Just keep your mug nice and stable. And it has the little Nespresso name down there at the bottom. There's not really a lot of fanfare here or anything like glitzy about it. I don't know if you can tell because of the glare, but I can see and feel that there's like a little seam here on each side of the glass. I can feel it with my fingernail too. And then other than that, there's just like this little band around about a third of the way down from the top of the glass. There's just like a little band here to add a little bit of visual interest. But other than that, they're pretty plain, pretty simple, straightforward set of glasses. And then here are the spoons that come with it. So they seem like they fit in there really well. And you can see here, it's just got the little Nespresso logo right there. And it's metal on one side and then some kind of plastic on the handle side. I went and looked it up because I forgot what the size of the mugs were. And the glasses hold 15.2 ounces and the spoons are 7.6 inches. I got another set of mugs with like little handles a while ago, and they too came with the spoons, but they're a little bit shorter. And I pulled that out just so you could see the comparison. So this is the spoon that I got with a different mug set. Let me see if I can put it in here so you can see. So here's the new spoon, and here's my older spoon that came with the Vertuo coffee mug, and these are the recipe glasses. So this came with the mug, and this comes with the recipe glass. So you can see you have a little bit more room there to stir up your drink. So yeah, I think these are going to be really good, especially if you find yourself making different coffee recipes that call for, you know, a little bit more than normal creamer or milk, especially when you use a frother. You know, you get that extra bulk in there, and so I think this will be really good for that kind of thing. I think that's about it. So I just want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this kind of video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.